Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Most scooters, unlike motorbikes, the front fork legs are not full fork legs like on a motorbike. Will come up to the handlebars, they only come halfway up. You can see from this image the fork legs come up and are protected by a rubber. This is the actual part that needs actual lubrication, pointed with the arrow there. So to stop this bearing from seizing, as this part of the bike is open to the elements, we have a lubricating spray on this part of the bike. We use WD-40 in Europe and America, etc. In China they call it butter spray for some reason. I'll just show you a quick video of how to do it, and just use WD-40 or GT85 spray, and just liberally spray the area in the centre there. You'll see. And this will protect the main bottom bearing from any corrosion wear. Simple to do and easy to do, just get on with it. Man Mick, thanks for watching. I will now play you the video on how to do it. Goodbye for now. You also don't have to use a sponge, just use the extended nozzle and spray heavily with WD-40.